So welcome to Classic Car Co. Wanted to give you a quick look over the E-Type. I've had a guy valet it for me, and it really was, even under two covers, it was really a mess because we've done welding and cutting up here. We have covered it. I covered it with a Union Jack cover that I have for it, which is cloth, and then another nylon one over the top of it. But unless, you know, the dust just gets everywhere, and he's made a really beautiful job of it. I just want you to have a look at it. It's been sat here for a couple of days because I've been away in Linz, which is the third biggest town or city in Austria. We were up there for a party and I had to go and pick up some equipment as well, some bits and pieces for the E-Type. But as you can see, he's made a gorgeous job of it, and the car looks absolutely stunning. You can see how nice he's done. I mean, he's made a beautiful job of the wheels. He's even done, I believe he's even done the engine bay. To be honest, I was so busy I haven't opened it to check yet. But as you see, he's made an absolutely gorgeous job of it. And inside, the mats are so shiny, and the seats have been done with leather feed or whatever it is they do with leather. And you actually slip down and they're actually too slidey now. But he's made a beautiful job of it. Very, very pleased indeed. And I can maybe show you inside in the dash. Possibly, no, you can't really see it, but maybe a little bit. But the dash and everything is just absolutely immaculate. It was caked in dust. He's made a beautiful job of it. And you can, I don't know if you can see, but no, you won't. But even the mats are so shiny, your feet slip up and down on them. So this is just the towel I use for the back window. I put it over this to make sure it's, you can see how mint it is. Made a beautiful job of it. Very, very pleasing to the eye. This was really dusty, this mohair roof. But I'm very pleased with it. So what I went away for was this, not the table. This, it's a Jaguar, excuse me a minute, it's a Jaguar factory hardtop. These things are as rare as rock and all shit to get. Now the reason we know this is a genuine factory one is because of the liner that's in it. This is not a reproduction. Now a reproduction of one of these with all the chrome and everything on them can range massively. And the strange thing about this is the chrome bits that go around here and around the back are the expensive bits on it. And unfortunately that didn't come with it. He has got the back window, but he couldn't find it. So there's a back window and the hardtop itself, and I got a really good deal on it. I will never use it, but what I'll do is I'll clean it up, make sure it fits, put the rubbers on it, make sure it fits correctly, fit it to the car, and then I will take it to Grunman, the people that did the paintwork on this car, on the E-Type, and get them to paint it the same colour, because they have the colour code for it. And then over a period of time, I will, let me put these lights on the pool table so you can see it better. Excuse me a second. No, that's going to make much difference, I don't think. A little bit. Yeah, so I'll do it in the colour, and I've also got the interior already, the new interior already ordered for it from Jonathan Skinner, which I'll be picking up in a few weeks' time in the UK. We will never use it. I will never use it because having the hood up on one of these cars, it's very claustrophobic. I'm not claustrophobic, but it is very claustrophobic inside. And, you know, I don't know, to me these cars have to have the top down, and that's the best driving experience with them. But like I said, what I'll do with this one is I'll get it painted, we'll clean it all, make sure it fits right, put the rubbers in it, put the glass back in, get all the chrome pieces over a period of time, and if I sell the car, which I might do in a few years' time when the market's better, but I have to make sure my XK150 here is finished. I want this on the road, which it'll be on the road in 2024, early 2024. So in a couple of years' time, when I've had this on the road for a year, 18 months, I might move the E-Type on and then look for something else. Because I've had it for 10 years and I've really enjoyed it. I've enjoyed rebuilding it from scrap. And yeah, so just want to show you what we were up to. So this is the next phase. And as I said, I'll make some kind of handling system for it, some kind of, you know, bag that it goes in, and then some kind of, a support or a jig for it to sit on. But to find a factory hardtop, and I also think it will make the sale of the car to a collector that much easier, because it is a genuine factory hardtop. But it's all the hardware that goes on it that's quite expensive, but I got it for an extremely good price, extremely good. And the bottom line is, it's not even the money, they just don't come up. I mean, people do not sell factory Jaguar hardtops from their convertibles, they just don't do it. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. So I've just come back, we've done, since this afternoon, I must have done, I don't know, 500 kilometres, no more than that, maybe 6 today. So I'm going to go and have a nice cold beer from my minibar over there and enjoy the rest of the night. So I will be putting a video up this week. It's just that I've had family here for a week and we've been busy with getting other things done, so I'm going to open my bar up and get a beer out of here. So on that note, stay safe, keep the faith, enjoy your hobby, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.